Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be reviewing these, which I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's just arrived and I haven't opened it. So I'm going to get inside, then review them straight off the bat. We have, ta-da, first V2s. I'm going to quickly go into these and review them. So the top case, it's got this gold foiling, gold metallic print all the way around with an embossed first there. Just seeing if the gap between the gold and the black was embossed. It is slightly different levels, but it's not completely embossed. Nothing on the sides, nothing on the top. On the bottom it says, First Playing Card Co. by Ramsay. So let's go in there and have a look. Now for someone who's always complaining about how much he hates cellophane, that wasn't exactly easy to get into. Yeah, these look so much better in person. And this is like a matte black, and the gold, it just pops. It looks so nice. I think I much prefer this than the white ones, to be honest. Oh, I'm trying to be so careful opening these up. This bit's kind of caught on the tab. Oh, there we are, we're in. So we've got Chris Ramsay's logo there. We've got First all over the inside. So let's get these out and have a look at that to start with. So that's completely covering the inside, which is really cool. Now I got these at retail. They were, I don't know if they were re-released or whatever, but they were at retail price and I was really happy with that. So got the First logo in the middle of for the Joker there, and the same again. It's got this gold foiled sort of Metalux print, which is really cool. The Ace of Spades there, it's very standard, but it's got the First written there, and it's that gold foiling again. Ah, that's cool. So this is a mnemonica stack, which I'm not going to go into, but that's really nice. I'll keep the Ace out so I can have a look. This makes my video a bit awkward. We'll get some royalty out to have a look, see how they differentiate from suit to suit. So it's the standard faces all the way through. There's nothing that I can think that would be custom apart from the royalty. Ooh, I like this. It's like a snake. Strangely, it's not the same ink that she used for the rest of the deck. No, it is. It is. I apologise. So it's not the gold foiled ink, but it's the same as this sort of gold on a royalty, which doesn't have that reflectiveness that sort of the gold on the back does, but still pretty cool. The royalty here, you've got the blacks, sort of black, gold and grey. The reds, which is also black, gold and grey. So the indices and the pips are what differentiate between the suits. There's no real difference in the sort of colour scheme of the royalty, but they're still pretty damn nice. I really like that. Looking at the back here, got Chris Ramsay's logo duplicated a number of times. Yeah, it looks really nice. Gold foil is just beautiful. You can see it there, which I'm presuming will help make a fan look phenomenal. Yeah, it just looks really cool. It doesn't really have that, because it's not curved, it doesn't have that orbit effect. They sort of all join on, but they do look very beautiful. They're like steps almost, going up and round. It's got that sort of Louis Vuitton-esque feel to it. The edges do feel like they could do a rub on my jeans, just to break him in a bit more and make him a bit smoother. Yeah, they feel phenomenal. They look great, you know, there's nothing really to complain about. Standard faces are very much made up for with this awesome back design. The gold just looks incredible. I love the varying black and white with the different thickness of each line. They feel very expensive as well, which isn't the case. I mean, the flippers prices on the internet are expensive. You know, if you're going to pay $30-40 or £30-40 for them, then yes, they are expensive. But if you buy them at retail, which I did, I don't know how much they were, but they were cheap. They weren't the cheapest, but they were pretty cheap, especially in comparison to the flipper prices. Yeah, I mean, these are beautiful. I think this is probably the nicest looking tuck case I've played with for a long time. Yeah, overall I'm really impressed. I didn't expect to be as impressed as I am. Awesome job, Mr. Ramsay. I really didn't want to say that. Not that I don't like him or anything. I mean, I like his videos. I'm a massive fan. I watch most of his videos. I don't know, I just didn't expect them to be as nice as they are. I expected them to be good, but not this good. I mean, the only thing that I really would probably change, is you see where it says First here? I would have probably made it just all black behind there. I know it's for the continuity of the design, but you can't really see that says First. In person, they're so much better than they are on video. Especially this tuck case. Just even taking the plastic off it, you know, it's a whole other ball game. So yeah, First Playing Cards by Chris Ramsay. V2s. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.